Hey YouTube, today we're going to be opening this. I think you understand what it is. It's called a Nintendo Switch Lite. So this is basically a smaller version of the actual Nintendo Switch, but the Joy-Cons don't come off. The HD rumble is not there, sadly. I don't know why they removed it. And on a YouTube video I found out this can have 9 controllers, normal can have 8. I'm going to show you the normal Nintendo Switch. We'll just do this for a second. Okay, here is our actual Nintendo Switch here. This is what it looks like here. I'm not going to show any numbers. And here's the new Switch Lite. We got this one so someone in our family can use this, which I'm not naming names. And this one is not for us, like all the kids and everything. This one is going to be like for all the kids and stuff. Yeah, we've already got a few games on this Nintendo Switch. This, as you can see, is the red and blue version. Here it is. In fact, the last game we played on it is Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, and my account is apparently still playing it, so that's funny. I haven't actually closed it yet. So here is the Switch. Let's unbox it. I'm just going to check the serial numbers on the bottom. There is a serial number on the bottom, so I won't show that. If you turn around over to this side where you can see the back, there's a thing which you can do that. And then I'm guessing this comes out and goes like that. Now let's, oh, you better do that. Now let's pull it out. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Right here. This is the box it came in. Now I'm going to take this thing off. I'm currently one-handed, so... Oh, here it is. Oh, here's the new Switch. Let's set this aside till we get everything else out. So, in here, what is in here? There's something else. It opens up this way now. So, what's this? Probably just a bunch of Switch Lite, and down at the bottom of this cardboard box thing is our charging cable. Now, the normal Nintendo Switch, it has a dock, and it docks in, and the USB-C port charges it and connects to the TV. But the new Switch, it doesn't even connect to the TV. This one, the dock over there, if you dock it in a dock, it won't dock because of the size of it. So here's the charger. It's boring. It's got USB-C, so technically you could charge this with this, but this will also charge with this. So this and this will charge with this. So let's open up the Switch, because I don't think anyone wants to see the charger right now. It is in a plastic bag there, which you can open up here. I got my second-hand back array. Now let's take it out of here. This is the Nintendo Switch Lite. From first impressions, the buttons, they feel, compared to the Switch, the actual Switch, these buttons feel a bit better to me. The bumpers, these things here, they feel exactly the same. Oh, this Nintendo Switch, these buttons are a bit different. The A, B, X, and Y, a bit different. This one feels better because it's more, I don't know, and this one's a bit more, I don't know. But, so this one is overall better for that. Or the home button, I must say, the actual Nintendo Switch's home button is better, I must say. I don't want it on. Now the screenshot button, this one feels good. The actual Switch isn't as good, so this is better, this is worse. Now D-pad. This time Nintendo put in an actual D-pad like on an Xbox controller compared to this mess. So I think this one is definitely better because it's easier to press and everything. And now for the sticks, the analog sticks. I like this one better because it has more room to move around. It feels a bit strange not having as much room down here and stuff. I'm just going to cover up our number. here. This right here is the micro SD card. And the micro SD on the actual Switch is underneath here, underneath the kickstand, which is in here. Just block our serial number. This is the micro SD slot on the actual Switch. This is the micro SD on the new Switch. And the game card slot, I'm guessing it's on the top, but let's find out. Oh, what a surprise. The game card slot is up here. It's inside of it, basically the same. Here's the headphone jack. You hear that, Apple? Make sure to put that in your next iPhone, the iPhone 12. You got your vents here, and you got power and volume. You got your plus and minus, of course, and on the back, what's on the back? All this stuff. Just going to cover up these, because they might have serial numbers. That's our Switch. Now let's boot it up for the first time. I'm guessing you got to hold this. And there we go. It says Nintendo. Nintendo Switch. I've definitely noticed, because it's very noticeable, that the screen size is like way smaller. Ooh. What's this? It's the magical noise of Nintendo Switch. What's this? Obviously English. Australia/New Zealand. Next. I don't want to read anything. Searching for networks. Is this the internet? I'm going to hide this. And I'm going to connect to the 5G network. Here we go. I believe this is the right one. The right password. Plus, connecting to the internet. Is it going to connect, or is it not going to connect? Oh, it's connected. Successfully connected. Okay. Now, what's our time zone? Usually should be Brisbane, even though we don't live in Brisbane. A user will be added to the console. Should we do import from another Nintendo Switch? Let's import from another. Do you still have the console that you'd like to import a user from? Obviously. Do you plan on continuing to use the original in addition to this one? Yes, we do. Well, not me, but... please link the same Nintendo account as the one you're using on the other console. Let's link it. But I'm just going to put the camera off while we link our IDs and users. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. This right here is a Nintendo Switch Lite. We've got all 5 accounts set up here. We haven't got any games, but we're about to get a game. Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu on the Nintendo Switch Lite. It's all set up. We did the system update that it forced us to do. The battery percent, well, it doesn't have percent. Well, on this Switch, I customized it so it shows the battery percent, but on this one, it doesn't show even a percent. 98%, and it has no percent on here. So on here, let's put in our game card and start playing. Well, maybe not play, but looking at Let's Go Pikachu. Let's put it in. I believe it faces towards you like the actual Switch. Oh, and look what popped up here. Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu. A new update is available. We'll download it or we won't be able to get things. 1 minute remaining. While we wait for that, I'm going to show you our controller set that we have. So, Okay, so here are our controllers. We've got my Pro controller here, which I'm pretty sure is flat. You've got someone else who I'm not naming names Pro controller right here. Right here, it's probably flat as well. Yep, this one is flat. This one is flat. We've also got a Pokeball Plus. And this isn't flat. It's alive. Okay, we're not ready to play this. Let's pair our controllers first. Actually, no, let's not pair our controllers right now. Let's go into Let's Go Pikachu and see if it works. Let's go in as me. Come on, let's work. Here's our actual Switch. The Let's Go Pikachu on here works fine. Oh, we got this. Ooh. Okay, I'll be right back. I just want to check something on here. Okay, so I'm not actually going to be able to play it, but guess what? In another video, I'm going to be able to do it. So let's just close the software for right now, and let's set all the settings the way we want them, even though there's pretty much nothing. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I fixed up the settings a bit, and we've discovered it is on 43% battery. So yeah, you might be able to do a little bit of gameplay today. So yeah, thank you for watching the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Lite. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for playing games on the Nintendo Switch Lite. This is Nintendo Switch Lite, and yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching, and bye now.